Hello, welcome back to DIYs with S Ultra. Today we're going to be mixing some face cream, eye ointment, and also a night cream. This fluffy looking deliciously face cream is going to moisturize your face all night long, and let's look at what we need to mix this. So this is all the ingredients we need in mixing this night cream, and all their benefits to the skin. First, here we're going to be adding our aloe vera gel. This is a 98% aloe vera gel, a store brand, and I'm just adding two teaspoons or 2 tablespoons depending on how much quantity you want to make. And I'm also going to be using a base, which is a light cream. What I mean by a light cream is a cream that is approved to be used at night, because you don't want to be using butter on your face at night. It's going to plug your pores and they won't be breathing, and so you end up having skin issues. So this store brand is from Walmart. I choose vitamin E cream to mix this mixture, because vitamin E, we have already seen the benefits of it, the moisturization. It adds glow to the skin. It reduces fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. It also helps with if you have a dry skin, it brightens the skin. It reduces inflammation. So here I have a grapeseed oil. I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of grapeseed oil. Why I choose this oil to make the cream is because it's rich in antioxidants, protect and repair the skin. It also fights dark cycles around your eyes. So grapeseed oil is very essential as well. And I also have the glycerin. We also discuss about the importance of glycerin, as it is water soluble. It is also moisturizing. It treats acne and scars. It's soothing dry skin, and if you have an irritable skin, it can be used as a moisturizer by itself. So as well, it is very important. And I also use the vitamin E oil, which we already mentioned, all the benefit to the skin. As you can see, this face cream is becoming really fluffy and it looks moisturizing already. As you can see, it gives a glow from all the oils and the glycerin and the aloe vera gel. You can go wrong with this night cream. It's going to hydrate your skin. This cream is not in that it's going to bleach your skin or makes you look whiter or anything. It's just going to help you with everything that we mentioned: moisturization, to keep your skin smooth and nice. So I would like to advise you guys to be careful with the things you apply on your skin, especially because there's so many brands that are advertising their products to be organic, but they are bleaching creams or bleaching lotions, which is really bad for the skin, really bad for our health, because anything you apply to your skin goes into your pores, and your pores is where your skin breathes, and it takes everything down into your bloodstream. So you don't want any chemical or any bad chemical going into your bloodstream, because you pass it on into your blood, and if you're breastfeeding or you're pregnant, you are also passing it on to your baby. So look at this, look at what we just made. This ointment is what I use especially for night cream, because I want my face to be moisturized in the morning when I wake up. So this is how fluffy this cream looks. So when can you apply this. I have a video of when I did this steaming phase and when I made this glow scrub powder. I will be linking it under the description for you to make this glow powder. This powder you can mix and so scrub your entire body with it. So it's for exfoliating and it's brightening the skin. It's also get rid of the dry skin, the dead skin, and it gives you a kind of glow, a kind of like a smooth surface skin. So this is everything, and I'm going to be linking the video under the description so you'll be able to watch this video in detail. This also homemade face syrup is going to be the next post I will be making on this channel. I have also made this cream already. It is very moisturizing. This is what I call my face syrup. This is what I apply first before I'm applying the night cream. It is really moisturizing as well. Very simple ingredients and you will make it in no time. So keep up with me, and it's going to be my next post, and I'm going to link the scrub powder under the description so you'll be able to make it yourself. So just take care of your skin, as it is very essential part of our lives. As we're growing older every single day, we need to be taking care of our skins. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you will share this recipe with your family and your friends so they can also make their own night cream and face ointment or under eye cream. You can use it anyhow you want. Thank you so much. Okay, so we're done. I'm ready to go to bed. Though my skin is not perfect, but I am happy with how moisturized my skin and how glowy it looks. So good night.